Hello! Let's discuss the differences between treating and vaccinating COVID-19, shall we? Even though the terms may sound pretty much obvious to us, but when we come down to the details, I recently overheard quite a few people getting confused between the treatment for a high-profile patient with the race to champion the COVID vaccine. So first thing first, vaccine doesn't have anything to do with the treatment, and this frankly means that the first difference is the subject. The line is drawn between people who are infected should receive a treatment and who are not shall be vaccinated. But you know what? Titanic pharmaceutical companies are struggling too. We just heard the latest update from the United States that Johnson & Johnson have to sadly suspend their vaccine trial, while a day later Eli Lilly had to put their treatment trial on hold. So I got to give you a serious warning that both are not easy games to play. What are the COVID treatments? This is viral infections, so we do have antiviral drugs. Actually, the FDA in the United States and the NHS in the UK haven't approved any official treatments for COVID-19. We probably haven't got enough time to systematically establish a treatment to test, doing clinical trial and do treatment follow-up to prove one has the success as well as the long-term safety to be the standard procedure for COVID-19. However, a lot of people have been treated and recovered from COVID-19, so we do have a few names to put hope in. The candidate in the spotlight these days calls the name of remdesivir, which acts to reduce the multiplies of the virus in the body. We can understand it this way. It slows down the increase of the viral load in the body and buys up more time for the immune system to catch up or to be enhanced by other interventions. This is where the second task force comes in place, commonly these days under the form of antiviral cocktails. Again, in the same treatment plan of the patient we kind of mentioned earlier, a cocktail combining two different antibodies was given to the patient. The antibody helps the immune system out by sticking on and marking out the virus particle so that all the immune cells can find them out quickly and eat them. I really mean that, eat them. That's one of the main strategies of the immune system. Overall, in COVID patients, there are viruses and we attack them directly. Vaccination, by definition, is to protect a person from a certain disease by training the immune system. There are several approaches to develop a vaccine. The principle is to introduce to the immune system what a virus looks like so that the immune system learns about the potential harm earlier. Why is it a useful tactic, especially with the COVID-19? I will talk about it in more detail in why is COVID so invisible. But to highlight the difference here, there is no virus in the body that receives a vaccine, and this is double, triple important. Back to the appearance. This is what a SARS-CoV-2 virus looks like, with all the signature spikes that we've seen so much on all media platforms. A vaccine will introduce a similar particle with similar look, but without or very little harmful properties. The immune system will then produce antibodies that mark out everything that looks similar to this, and all the immune cells can find them out and eat them. Next time, upon the entrance of a very small amount of virus into the body, the immune system already know that it's harmful and give them no time to flourish. Wait, did I not just mention antibody twice? Are we not using antibody for the treatment too? Yes, antibodies are originally the human product by the immune system to label all the foreign and also harmful entities, and in this case, the virus, so that all the immune cells can find them out quickly and destroy them. This is why, in the second part of the treatment plan, we make this antibody up and provide them quickly to speed up the fight of the immune system against the virus in the body. So, take-home message. Vaccine introducing the virus imposter, the immune system learns and attacks them upon the real encounter in the future. Treatment, there's virus in the body and will attack them directly. By the way, my name is Việt Hằng. Bye!